Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll explore how specific dietary choices and supplements can help you look and feel up to 10 years younger. Dr. Garg here. Welcome to Healthy Buddha. Please subscribe. The key to vitality and youthful appearance is an integration of modern nutritional science with traditional Ayurvedic wisdom and regular self care practices. The key nutrients for an anti aging effect and tissue repair are the collagen, vitamin C, and healthy fats. We will look at 7 key anti aging factors in details next. Number one is hydration. Proper hydration maintains the skin's elasticity, reduces dullness, and helps detoxify the body. Eating your water via water-rich produce such as melons, watermelons, cucumber, celery, lettuce, berries, grapes, oranges is very beneficial as you also get key microminerals along with the hydration. Number two are collagen boosting foods. Collagen is very essential in maintaining skin structure and elasticity. It is needed for ligament repair and it helps keeps your joints healthy and pain-free. Key sources of collagen are bone broth, fish, eggs, citrus fruits, and berries. The third factor is low glycemic and antioxidant rich food products. High glycemic index in the food, it triggers acne. It feeds the fungus on the skin and in the gut, causing more skin inflammation. So replace your breakfast cereals and bread with whole grains, legumes, and non-starchy vegetables. Antioxidants are needed to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals by sun, and it promotes a radiant complexion. Key sources are green tea and cocoa, which contains the anti-aging catechins, dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and brightly colored fruits like berries. The fourth key factor are healthy fats such as omega-3. They help in tissue repair, which then maintains the elasticity of the skin and the ligaments. Key sources are fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, plant sources like avocados, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. The next important factor is gut health and probiotics. Gut health has a very significant influence on immunity, on skin health, and your musculoskeletal system. A balanced microbiome helps with immune regulation. It reduces inflammation and clears blemishes, and it produces the important fatty acids and vitamins that are needed for tissue repair and immunity. Good sources that can be incorporated in your diet are kimchi, yogurt, miso, sauerkraut, kefir, idli, and dosa. Lastly are the skin brightening foods and Ayurvedic rejuvenating agents which help even the skin tone and reduce pigmentation. Turmeric has strong anti-inflammatory and skin brightening properties. It is easy to add turmeric to spice your food or to add to your latte. It is always better to use whole turmeric rather than the chemical extract called curcumin. Next is neem, which reduces the pathogenic bacteria in the gut and it helps in supporting the gut health. Only half a teaspoon of neem powder taken as a ball in the morning is more than enough, or you can take it as a capsule. Last is amla or Indian gooseberry, which is extremely rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It supports collagen production and skin health. You can take a couple of slices of fresh amla or you can add half to 1 teaspoon of amla powder to your daily routine. If you cannot incorporate all of the above nutrients in your diet, then you can take supplements. And they have also been shown to have anti-aging effect. That would include collagen supplement for skin elasticity and joint health, omega-3 fatty acids or fish oil capsules, and vitamin C supplement for collagen synthesis. The last important anti aging factor is your lifestyle. Beyond diet and supplements, lifestyle factors are equally important. Regular exercise, it improves circulation, delivering nutrients to your skin, muscles, fascia, and ligaments. Your body loves movement, and the more you move, the more flexible it remains. Quality sleep is important to allow time for your body to repair and regenerate, supporting your overall health and well being. Avoid toxins like nicotine and alcohol, which are linked to premature aging and early wrinkling. By integrating these dietary choices, supplements, and lifestyle practices, you can enhance your well being and radiate a youthful vitality. Remember, it's essential to consult with your healthcare professional before starting a new supplement regimen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Till next time, stay healthy, stay well.